All right, so this is called dye chem. It comes with a little brush. It's a layout fluid. You basically just brush it on, and then it'll show you as you resurface the block where the low spots are and the high spots are. Now, I'm going to get a bunch of hate for this. I get it. Ideally, you would want to pull this block, take it to the machine shop, and have them deck it. Cut a nice clean surface. That is not possible in this situation because of time. We just don't have the time to pull the motor out. Still going to have the counterbores done, but the block surface was not great, so I wanted to clean it up. That being said, this is stainless steel. It's 1/2 inch thick. It's very heavy, and I had a machine shop go ahead and do a face milling operation on it, so it's completely flat. So all we have is this, and then some 80 grit paper. Another really great tip is shaving cream. So to stop stuff from going in the bottom of the motor, these are coffee tin lids. Just like Folgers coffee, the plastic lid fits perfectly in here. So those are sitting in the bottom. But in all these holes is shaving cream. This shaving cream is 2 days old, so it doesn't evaporate. But what it does do is it catches all the little millings and the sand and everything else. Then all you have to do is vacuum it out. Piece of cake, really simple, a really great way to keep everything clean. Now we'll keep working on this block, and then Caterpillar will come in and do the counterbores. I want to make sure, since this truck is over 700 horsepower, I want to make sure it stays together this time.